Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz S580 Maybach. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or paint chips at all. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Perfect. Let's have a look now at the driver fender and wheel. This fender has no scratches or dents at all, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. Both front and back door look perfect. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on either door here. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks very good. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on it, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the back of the car. Okay, looking at the trunk, everything looks fine. I'm not seeing any paint chips or any dents. And the back bumper looks perfect as well. Okay, let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel has no scratches or dents on it at all, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. Both front and back door have no scratches on them or no dents at all. Okay, and now we're going to look at the last fender and wheel, and everything here looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents on the fender, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And first we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing anywhere with the window switches. The seat switch looks fine and the leather looks good. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Okay, the front seat looks very good. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. Everything here is in perfect condition. Let's take a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Okay, everything here is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Okay, steering wheel buttons are in perfect condition. Let's take a look at the leather and stitching. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. Inside of here are your extra pillows. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.